Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're at the airport, and we're going to help you learn some useful English phrases and vocabulary for traveling. Whether you're flying for the first time or you're a seasoned traveler, this conversation will help you feel more confident navigating the airport.
That's right. We'll go over everything from checking in to getting through security to finally boarding your flight. And of course, we'll throw in some helpful phrases for when you need to ask about directions or grab a snack.
Exactly. There's a lot to think about when you're at the airport, but we're here to make it easy and fun. So Emma, what's the first thing we need to do when we get here?
Well, the first thing is check-in. We'll need to go to the check-in desk or use the self-check-in kiosk. This is where you get your boarding pass and drop off your luggage. Don't forget to ask about any baggage fees if you have extra weight.
Oh, right. I always make sure to check my luggage weight before I get to the desk. You don't want to pay extra for overweight baggage. And make sure you've got your passport or ID ready, especially for international flights.
Yes, you'll need your boarding pass and passport for international flights. For domestic flights, you might just need your boarding pass and ID. But Ben, let's say I'm going to the check-in counter. What do I say when it's my turn to check in?
Well, first, you can say, "Hi, I'm checking in for my flight to destination." Then they'll ask for your ID or passport, and you'll need to show them your ticket or confirmation number.
Perfect. After we check in, we can head to the security checkpoint. This is where you have to go through the security check. You'll need to show your boarding pass, and they'll ask you to remove your shoes, belt, and anything in your pockets. And don't forget to take your laptop and liquids out of your bag.
Yes, and remember to keep your liquids in a small plastic bag. And make sure the bottles are under the allowed size, usually 100 milliliters. They'll also ask you to put your carry-on luggage on the conveyor belt so they can scan it with the X-ray machine.
Oh, and one more thing. When you go through security, the metal detector might beep, and if it does, they might ask you to go through the scanner or pat down for extra screening. It's totally normal, so just stay calm.
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's just part of the process. Once we're through security, we'll head to the gate. This is where we wait for our boarding time.
That's right. When we get to the gate, we'll see our flight number and boarding time on the screens. You should also check to make sure the flight hasn't been delayed or changed. You can ask the gate agent if you're unsure.
Speaking of the gate, Emma, what do I say if I need to ask about my flight? For example, if I don't see my flight number on the screen.
Great question. You can ask the gate agent, "Excuse me, could you tell me the departure time for flight number?" Or if you're looking for your gate, you can say, "Excuse me, which gate is flight number departing from?"
Perfect. Once it's time to board, we'll head to the boarding area. The agent will scan your boarding pass and let you know when it's your turn to board the plane.
And when you board, make sure you have your boarding pass and ID ready. If you're flying internationally, you'll also need to show your passport. Then, when you get on the plane, you'll find your seat. Don't forget to put your carry-on luggage in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Right, and before we get comfortable, we'll need to make sure our seatbelt is fastened. The flight attendants will do a safety demonstration, and they'll explain how to use the oxygen mask and where the emergency exits are.
Speaking of the flight attendants, they're there to help if you need anything. You can say, "Excuse me, could I have some water?" Or, "Can I have a blanket, please?" You can also ask if they have snacks or headphones for the entertainment system.
Oh, I love the in-flight movies. They're such a great way to pass the time on long flights. And when we land, we'll need to go through customs and immigration if it's an international flight.
Yes. Don't forget to have your passport and arrival form ready for customs. They might ask you questions like, purpose of your visit, or how long will you be staying?
And after that, we can go to the baggage claim to pick up our luggage. You'll see a sign with your flight number, and then you can grab your checked bags from the carousel.
Exactly. And once we have our bags, we're free to explore our destination or head to the airport shuttle or taxi stand to get to our next stop.
Well, that was a fun and informative journey through the airport. We covered so many useful words and phrases for your next trip, from check-in to boarding and everything in between.
Yes. We hope you feel more confident about traveling and using English at the airport. Whether it's asking for directions or ordering food at the airport cafe, we've got you covered.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We have more fun lessons and adventures coming your way.
And leave a comment below. Let us know where you're planning to travel next, or if you have airport tips to share with us.
Thanks so much for joining us today. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care, everyone. Keep practicing your English and enjoy your adventures. Goodbye.
Goodbye.